everyone. Last night someone dropped me some chicken. Yes, the person's a clean cook. I have no issues with that. There is not enough flavor on this chicken. I done nibbled up 2 pieces already. 2 pieces, but I can't nibble anymore. So I'm just gonna throw them in the pot, and that's because of who made it. I don't want to put it in the recycle bin. So I'm going to just put a little doctoring up in there. Now I'm going to put some of this soy sauce, of course. Just a little bit of soy sauce. Uh-oh. Turn it down a little bit. I'm going to put some of this Worcestershire in there. That smells good already, boys and girls. And we all know I don't like honey, so we gotta doctor it up to get in there real nicely. Need that wrapped around in there real good, boys and girls. A little bit of onion flakes. Parsley. And my nice helping of garlic. Okay, now this looks like a concoction that nobody would eat, but I'm going to put a little bit of ketchup in there. My daughter told me to put in mustard yesterday, so I'm going to put it in my mustard today. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just to give it a little kick. Just a little bit. And you know the ketchup turns it into like a barbecue sauce. I'm trying to think what I should do. You see the difference in the color now? Oh, the ketchup smells so good. I need a little bit of heat in there. I need a little bit of heat in there. But I need a little bit of honey to take. There's a certain type of taste I'm looking for. It's like tangy but sweet. I don't know how you say it. This is gonna be so freaking good, boys and girls. Now I'm gonna just put the top on it. I need to put a little drop of moisture in there. Just need a drop of moisture in there. Just a drop of moisture in there. See how nice and thick that got already? And then what I'm actually trying to do is turn the chicken around so all of it is coated with the goodness that I have in the pot. It doesn't seem like it's turning around too much. But now I'm going to put the top on it while I turn it down a little bit and wipe up my messy stove. I'm in the other room doing some crafting. Oh, It doesn't taste too sweet. Doesn't taste too anything. It just perfectly tastes good. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I can't pick it up because it's too hot. Of course, you know that. Mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh. My chicken is delicious. What I have to do now is get me something to drink and then go and have me a good time crafting. Thank you so much for watching.